a long time. Their names are Monk, Jesse, Carl, and Susan. Their uncle name is Logan, last name Morrison. Morrison! Someone may be one for a day. Be careful before you act, and you will see. And what are we gonna do about it? So what time it is? You don't know time it is. It's time, Morrison.
Who's a cute kitty cat? Who's a cute kitty cat? You are.
Wonder who's there.
What the hell? Oh. It's just a fucking microwave.
Well, I am getting quite hungry.
Yeah, me too. Let's make microwave macaroni.
In you go.
Set the timer, T-5 minutes. And we wait. Oh hey little kitty, it's your old pal Freddie Mercury. Who's a good kitty? You are. Gucci. Goo?
What the fuck?
What the hell?
I'm a taste one. Say, it's popcorn.
You sure? Hey, you're right. It is popcorn.
Let's dig in. Yum. That's some good popcorn.
You said it.
Hey, I have an idea.
Me too.
There we go.
Good as new.
Hey there.
Whoa.
What?
You're really early.
So I see you guys are having a movie party. What movie are we watching?
You're early. Whoa.
I know you didn't mean to do that.
Yes we did.
The party's not ready yet.
Well, what is there still to do?
Well, there's lots of stuff left to do, but... Alright, it's better if we just show you.
Just take some off the fridge, and put it in the microwave.
I've got this bottle of water.
And put it in the microwave.
That'll damage your—
No Michael, no. It's a new microwave.
It does this, it does a thing, you'll find out.
What? What's a thing? Whoa.
Yeah.
This is crazy, man.
Yeah.
Say, have you tried anything that is not food?
What?
Well, I mean, stuff that's not really supposed to go in the microwave, like metal.
Well, you don't put metal in a microwave.
Exactly. Well, have you tried it? This. Well, seems like it'll work. I mean, plastic was okay, right?
I mean, I've got a knife from that episode Michael Jackson Returns.
Ow! Oh my Pepsi. My insides.
No.
It's okay, guys. It's okay.
No Michael, it's not gonna be okay.
Just call an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
Oh, you're so young.
First of all, I'm 66 years old. Second of all, it's just a stab. I'm fine. Just call an ambulance already.
You had so much potential.
I still have potential. It's just a fucking stab.
Oh, Morgan and Freddy.
We're home.
Hey, what's this? Morgan and Mercury's popcorn party. Oh joy. I'm in.
Okay, just get James and Linda, and they can help us out.
No. They can't let them see you like this.
What? Yes.
We can't let them witness this, we can't.
Well, I think it'll be a lot worse if you guys just...
Microwave.
Morgan, Freddy, no. Stop it you guys.
Wow.
This popcorn tastes so marvelous.
Delicious.
Tastes wonderful.
Tastes so fabulous.
I'm glad you kids enjoying it.
Yeah.
Fuck you Mogon and Freddie the Mercury.